Hey guys, welcome to another unpacking or unboxing of TsumTsums. I got these set of 3s today, and also two mystery packs. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these ones first. I was very excited Walmart finally has TsumTsums. Oh no. I always have a hard time opening these. Oh, almost there. Actually, let me go ahead and open it real quick. Oh, the struggle. So here's a large Olaf. Finally have my first Cheshire cat. Cheshire. And a small Eeyore. Yay. And let's do this real quick. So, opening this real quick. So we got the small Goofy, another medium Eeyore, probably sell this, and Stitch. So we have those, and now let's go on to the first mystery pack. Oh my gosh, another one. I'm not even gonna cut into it, I can't find my scissors, but another Cheshire. So, let's see. Ooh, this one goes on top, I believe. And this one, bottom. That is so cute. Oh, I won't focus, but there you go. And let's open the last one. I got the Stitch. I've been wanting this for so long. Ah. So with this one, just put the spaceship on the stand. And you put Stitch inside. Isn't that cute?